This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about coins. Do you collect coins?
No, I don't collect coins, but I find them interesting. I sometimes keep unique or foreign coins as souvenirs when I travel. It's a nice way to remember different places, and they often have fascinating designs or histories.
Have you ever seen a rare coin?
Yes, I once saw a rare coin at a museum. It was an old coin from ancient times, and it had intricate designs. It was fascinating to learn about its history and how people used it in the past.
How do you usually use coins?
I usually use coins for small purchases like buying snacks or paying for parking. Sometimes, I also use them for public transport when cash is needed. Coins can be handy for these situations.
Are coins used much in your country?
In my country, coins are still used, but not as much as before. Many people prefer digital payments or cards. However, coins are still useful for small amounts and for specific situations like vending machines or parking meters.
Did you use a coin as a child?
Yes, I often used coins as a child, especially for buying small treats like candies or snacks from local shops. I remember the excitement of saving up coins in a piggy bank and then counting them when it was full.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you know who has strong opinions. You should say who this person is, how you knew the person, what kind of opinions this person has, and explain why you think they have strong opinions.
A person I know who has strong opinions is my uncle. I've known him since I was a child, and we've always been close. He's very outspoken and passionate, especially about topics like politics, the environment, and social justice. Whenever we have family gatherings, he's always ready to share his thoughts and engage in lively discussions. My uncle is particularly passionate about environmental protection. He strongly believes in combating climate change and often talks about reducing waste and using renewable energy. He's made significant lifestyle changes, like adopting a plant-based diet and driving an electric car to align with his beliefs. He frequently encourages others to take similar actions and support policies that protect the environment. Besides the environment, he also has strong opinions about politics and social issues. He supports fairness, equality, and social programs that help disadvantaged communities. He thinks it's important to have better education and healthcare systems. He also speaks out about the importance of progressive government policies. His views are well informed, and he's always ready to discuss them in depth. I think my uncle has strong opinions because he's deeply committed to his values and wants to make a positive impact on the world. He stays informed and encourages others to think critically about important issues. His passion often leads to lively discussions, but they also encourage people around him to think about different views and take action on important issues.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about strong opinions. Why do some people have strong opinions?
Some people feel strongly about certain issues because they care a lot or have personal experiences that shape how they think. They might also have strong beliefs based on their values, culture, or education. Additionally, strong opinions can come from a desire to influence change or inspire others.
Do you think it's good to have strong opinions?
Yes, it can be good to have strong opinions, as it shows you are passionate and informed about certain topics. However, it's also important to remain open-minded and respectful of other viewpoints to encourage healthy discussions and learning. Balancing strong beliefs with humility can lead to better conversations.
How can people express their opinions respectfully?
People can express their opinions respectfully by listening to others, avoiding aggressive language, and being open to different perspectives. It's important to focus on the issue rather than making it personal. This helps keep the conversation positive. Showing care and understanding for different views can also build respect between people.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.